Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to talk about something often overlooked but incredibly impactful. Your front yard fence gate. It's more than just an entry point, it's the welcoming handshake of your home, setting the tone for what lies beyond. So, what exactly do we mean by front yard fence gate design? Simply put, it encompasses the aesthetic and functional choices made for the gate that provides access to your property, often integrated with a fence. It's about combining security, privacy, and style to create a cohesive and inviting entrance that complements your home's architecture and your personal taste. A well-designed gate can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, making a lasting first impression on guests and passers-by. But why invest in a well-designed front yard fence gate? The benefits are numerous and truly impactful. Firstly, it significantly boosts your home's curb appeal, instantly elevating its aesthetic value and making it stand out in the neighborhood. A beautiful gate acts as a focal point, drawing the eye and adding character. Beyond aesthetics, security is a major advantage. A sturdy gate provides an extra layer of protection, deterring unwanted visitors and offering peace of mind, especially for families with children or pets. Furthermore, a well-chosen gate can enhance privacy, creating a more secluded and intimate outdoor space for your family to enjoy. It can also help define your property lines clearly, adding to the overall structure and organization of your front yard. Finally, a thoughtfully designed gate can add to the perceived value of your home, becoming an attractive feature for potential buyers should you ever decide to sell. It's an investment that pays off in both enjoyment and tangible value. Now, once you have your perfect gate, how do you make it truly shine? Decorating your front yard fence gate is all about adding personal touches that reflect your style and enhance its beauty. Consider adding lush climbing plants like roses, clematis, or wisteria to frame the gate, creating a romantic and inviting archway. Potted plants or hanging baskets on either side can add vibrant splashes of color and texture. For a touch of charm, hang a decorative wreath, especially one that changes with the seasons, a fresh floral wreath for spring, a patriotic one for summer, or an autumnal design for fall. Lanterns or solar-powered lights can illuminate the gate at night, enhancing safety and creating a warm, welcoming glow. You can also incorporate decorative hardware, like an ornate latch or handle, to add a touch of elegance or rustic charm. Remember to consider the overall style of your home and garden when choosing your decorations to ensure a cohesive and harmonious look. Choosing the right material for your front yard fence gate is crucial, as it impacts durability, maintenance, and aesthetics. Here are some of the best options. First, wood. Classic and versatile, wood offers a warm, natural look. Options like cedar, redwood, and treated pine are popular for their beauty and ability to be stained or painted. However, wood requires regular maintenance, including sealing or painting, to prevent rot and warping. Second, wrought iron. For a timeless, elegant, and secure option, wrought iron is an excellent choice. It's incredibly durable and offers intricate designs, often seen in more traditional or formal settings. Wrought iron gates are low maintenance but can be expensive and may rust if not properly coated. Third, aluminum. A lightweight and low-maintenance alternative to wrought iron, aluminum offers similar aesthetic versatility with less upkeep. It's rust-resistant and comes in various styles and finishes, making it a popular choice for modern and traditional homes alike. Fourth, vinyl. Known for its low maintenance and durability, vinyl is a popular choice for picket fences and privacy gates. It won't rot, warp, or need painting, making it a very practical option for busy homeowners. However, design options can be more limited compared to wood or metal. Fifth, composite. Made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic, composite materials offer the look of wood without the high maintenance. They are resistant to rot, insects, and fading, making them a durable and eco-friendly choice. 6th, stone or masonry for pillars. While not for the gate itself, stone or brick pillars often accompany gates, adding a sense of grandeur and permanence. They are incredibly durable and can be combined with various gate materials. Now, let's dive into some incredible inspiration. Here are our top 10 best front yard fence gate design ideas, showcasing a range of styles and materials to spark your imagination. 1. The classic picket fence with floral accents. This image showcases another beloved variation of the white picket fence, simple, elegant, and timeless. What makes this design truly sing are the vibrant climbing roses in shades of pink and yellow cascading over the fence and gate. The carefully maintained gate, with its classic latch, invites a sense of nostalgia and homeliness. This style is ideal for adding a cheerful, cottage garden feel to any property, blending traditional aesthetics with the beauty of nature. The colorful blooms soften the crisp white lines of the fence, creating a picturesque and welcoming boundary. 2. Artistic laser-cut metal panel gate. For a truly unique and artistic statement, consider a laser-cut metal gate like this one. The intricate palm leaf pattern is a stunning visual element, turning a functional gate into a piece of art. Set against clean white pillars and a neutral lower wall, this design is eye-catching and modern. It offers a high degree of privacy while allowing light and visual interest to pass through the decorative cutouts. This style is perfect for contemporary homes seeking a distinctive and personalized touch that makes a strong artistic statement. The repeating pattern creates a harmonious and visually appealing boundary. 3. Modern minimalist wood and metal gate. For a sleek and contemporary look, this front yard gate is a prime example of modern design. Featuring rich, horizontal wooden slats set within a clean, dark metal frame, it offers both privacy and sophisticated style. The two substantial white pillars on either side provide a striking contrast and architectural definition, anchoring the gate firmly. This design perfectly complements modern homes with clean lines and a focus on natural materials, creating a grand yet understated entrance that speaks volumes about the home's contemporary aesthetic. The simple, uncluttered lines emphasize functionality and a high-end feel. 4. Grand modern estate entrance. This impressive design features a substantial black metal gate with intricate, geometric patterns, flanked by robust white pillars. The entire fence mirrors the gate's design, creating a cohesive and imposing entrance that hints at the grandeur of the large, modern home behind it. Integrated lighting on the pillars adds to the sophisticated ambience, especially at dusk. This design is perfect for larger properties where security and a commanding presence are desired, blending contemporary elements with a classic sense of arrival. The careful placement of accent lighting highlights the architectural beauty and welcoming path. 5. Sleek and secure modern horizontal slats. This contemporary fence and gate combination features dark, horizontal metal slats atop a clean, white masonry wall. The dark elements provide a striking contrast against the lighter wall and the modern architecture of the house. This design offers excellent privacy and a high level of security without sacrificing modern aesthetics. The minimalist landscaping with neatly trimmed plants below the wall enhances the clean lines, making it a perfect fit for urban or suburban homes looking for a sophisticated and secure perimeter. The consistent horizontal lines create a sense of expansive flow and modern elegance. 6. Traditional black iron urban gate. This classic black wrought iron fence and gate design is a staple for urban homes and historic properties. Its slender, vertical pickets and decorative finials offer security without blocking the view, maintaining an open feel. The gate, slightly recessed and featuring a simple latch, provides a neat and elegant entry point. This design complements traditional brick homes and adds a touch of classic sophistication to any city streetscape. It offers a clear boundary while still allowing for a connection with the neighborhood, embodying a sense of enduring elegance. 7. The enchanting picket fence archway. This design beautifully embodies classic charm and a welcoming spirit. The pristine white picket fence, a timeless symbol of Americana, leads to a captivating archway adorned with lush, vibrant green vines and bursts of colorful purple and pink flowers. The flagstone pathway drawing you towards the inviting blue front door creates a sense of whimsical discovery, making this entrance feel like something out of a storybook. It's perfect for a traditional or cottage-style home, instantly adding curb appeal and a touch of romantic elegance. The intertwining greenery and blooms truly soften the structure, blending it seamlessly with the natural landscape of the front yard. 8. Contemporary black wood privacy fence. This striking design features a tall, solid black wooden fence and gate, offering maximum privacy and a bold, modern statement. The dark color creates a dramatic backdrop for the vibrant green foliage and white flowering plants in the foreground, making them truly pop. The gate is seamlessly integrated into the fence, with clean lines and minimalist hardware. This design is perfect for homeowners seeking ultimate privacy and a contemporary, sophisticated aesthetic for their front yard, especially those who appreciate stark contrasts and dramatic visual impact. The minimalist approach allows the textures of the wood and plants to truly stand out. 9. Rustic stone pillars with wrought iron. Here we see a beautiful blend of natural elements and classic craftsmanship. The sturdy stone pillars, built with varied earthy tones, provide a rustic yet elegant anchor for the traditional black wrought iron fence and gate. The decorative finials atop the pillars add a touch of old-world charm. This design is excellent for properties that aim for a natural, rugged, or European-inspired aesthetic, offering both strong security and a timeless appeal. It's particularly well-suited for larger estates or homes surrounded by natural landscapes, blending seamlessly with the outdoor environment. 10. Sleek wooden slats with concrete path. This design exemplifies modern minimalism, combining warm wooden horizontal slats for both the fence and a single, streamlined gate. The rich, dark wood contrasts beautifully with the light concrete stepping stones leading to the gate, creating a clear and inviting pathway. Lush, green plants and a vibrant red-leafed plant add softness and natural beauty to the contemporary hardscaping. This style is perfect for homes that value clean lines, natural materials, and a serene, uncluttered aesthetic. It provides privacy and a sophisticated entrance with a touch of organic warmth. And there you have it, 10 incredible front yard fence gate designs to inspire your next home improvement project. From classic charm to modern marvels, there's a gate design out there for every style and need. We hope this video has given you plenty of ideas for enhancing your home's curb appeal and creating a truly welcoming entrance. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor and design ideas every week. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.